Hey, what is up, random people of the internet? So, if it's not obvious from the title, today I'll be teaching you how to import MP4 files into Audacity. Okay, so I'll start off with a quick joke just to get your mood in place because I know that working with Audacity can at times be really hard. Alright, heard about the new restaurant called Karma? There's no menu, you get what you deserve. If you didn't get that joke, then maybe get your digestive system checked, cause seems like it can't digest jokes. Okay, enough of this. Let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, step 1. Open up Audacity, obviously, and then you gotta go over to Edit, Preferences, Libraries, and you gotta click on this download button next to FFmpeg library. Alright, click on that. Now it's gonna take you here. This is gonna be a little complex, but click on this. Then click on this, and then you click on this. So for all of the fellows out there who are sitting on their most comfortable chair and yet they want to be lazy, then they can click the direct download link down in the description. Alright? Okay, step 2. Open up the installer and follow the steps. Click on OK, next, next, and next, and install. Alright, we're done with step 2. Now comes step 3. You gotta go over back to this preferences and library thing where you were earlier, and then you gotta go ahead and click on locate. Now it's gonna say Audacity has automatically detected, valid, whatever, and then click on no. Alright, this time you gotta click on no. And then you click on done, okay. And with this you're done, and now you can import your MP4 files like I have one here. There you go, MP4. And now you can go ahead and drag and drop it here, and it's gonna extract the audio from the MP4 file, and you're gonna have it here, as you can see, whatever. So that's the audio, and that's how you do it. Oh, wait, there's another step. So while you're watching this video, just go ahead and scroll down, and there's going to be this red button down there which says subscribe. Just click on it, and it's going to magically turn into this subscribed button. Alright? And that's wonderful. Yeah.
That was it for this video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe, as well as check out my other videos. And until the next time, peace out.